Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I'm so excited. I've heard really good things about this. I swear every beauty guru and their dog has this foundation, so I feel like up until now, I was the only beauty guru that didn't. Just wetting my sponge. Alright, I don't know what primer to take. Let's have a look. You know what? I'm going to take my Laura Mercier foundation primer. I haven't used this one in a while, but I do really like it. I really want to try some new primers. Like, let me know below. What's your favorite primer? Anyway, alright, let's rub this in. I already know 110% that this foundation is not going to match me or not be anywhere close. I really don't know what happened. I did the online little matchy thing. Got pigment on my face. Yeah, I did like the little online Sephora color match. And this is what they gave me. Does this look like my shade? It doesn't look that bad, but when you okay, it still kind of doesn't look that bad. But anyway, let's try this out. It says moderate to full coverage, natural matte finish. This foundation and concealer is this foundation and concealer in one covers thoroughly with a lightweight feel. Naturally flawless look, lasts all day for all over coverage, or use 2-spot conceal oil free. So I'm gonna do what I normally do. Do one side of the face just to see the coverage and stuff. So I think we can agree, like, it's not the worst. It's not the worst color match, but it's definitely not my shade. But anyway, it'll be good to see, like, because I have picked my face so much today. So it'll be good to see how it covers all this redness, you know? Okay. First side, honestly, that literally took away all of my redness up there. Like, I had a huge pimple there. It'll be interesting. It'll be good to see, like, it cover this part, because this is obviously, like, really red, and this middle part here. But, like, the redness of my cheeks, gone. So far so good. I feel like the actual finish of it looks really, really pretty as well. So let's keep going and see. I'm excited to see what happens here. Gone pretty much, like, hitting it so well. Wow, that's really good. I feel like first impressions, I'm very impressed. So yeah, I honestly haven't tried that much from Clinique, but I use the Take Off the Day Balm, and that is honestly the best makeup remover that I've ever used in all of my years of doing and removing makeup. I really want to try more from the brand, because it seems like a very kind of underrated brand, because it's a little bit like, it's kind of a bit like Estee Lauder. Like, I feel like they kind of have a bit more of a mature audience, because their packaging isn't like anything exciting or innovative. Like, it's just kind of makeup, if you know what I mean. You know how Colourpop is like quite fun and cool colors, and you know, the same with like more Instagrammable brands, whereas I feel like Clinique and stuff, they're a bit more just about the makeup, you know, just about the product, you know. But anyway, this is my skin. I'm just applying it. I didn't blend that bit very well. So you can see it's fully taken away the redness of my chin. You can still obviously see the blemishes, but I feel like it's hidden the texture pretty well. Same for in between my eyebrows. Pimple up there. Like, I am very impressed, and I feel like my actual skin, like the finish of it, actually looks really nice as well. So yeah, so far so good. Alright, let's chuck on a concealer. Alright, I'm gonna take the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. This is like one of my favorite concealers. Blend this in now. This Benefit Concealer dries so fast today. I think it's because I got my heater on. That's so weird, it like won't budge off my nose, it won't blend out. It never normally dries that fast. It's so weird. It's like very humid in here because, yeah, as I said, I've got my heater on and the door closed because it was just freezing. That's so funny though. It never ever dries that quick. Okay. Now to set my concealer, I'm just going to take the Anastasia loose setting powder in vanilla. Just use that to set the concealer. Okay, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. This one is in the shade Light. I love this Jouer powder, it's so nice. The shade isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I mean, obviously it's not matching, like, you know, but I thought it was going to be way worse. I've definitely had worse. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking now that we've powdered and set and everything. I feel like it still looks really, really nice. Yeah, so far so good. I'm really impressed. Oh, I'm just going to zoom you in again. I'm going to show you how we're going. Don't mind my moustache, I need to get rid of her. Alright, for bronzer today, I'll take the I just opened it and like I don't know how that happened. It hasn't been like hit or anything. Anyway, this is the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in Take a Vacation. And I really like this bronzer. So I'm mad that this is what it's done to me. Maybe I'm too rough with my bronzer. I don't know. Getting really hot in here. I need to turn my heater off in a second. Alright, for highlight today, I'm gonna take this Jouer powder highlight. This one is in the shade Citrine. I love it already. Isn't that beautiful? Stunning. I think I went a bit overboard with the highlight, but what are you gonna do, you know? Can't help it. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my hair, chuck a lip on, set my face and everything, and come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay. I just used the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Savage and the Morphe Gloss in Boho. But this is the finished look and I really, really like it. I really like this foundation. Just giving you a bit of a close up. I just feel like my skin looks so nice. You know, it's just a really nice foundation, a really good base for the rest of my products, you know. Yeah, I feel like it's beautiful. It looks really, really nice. The shade isn't perfect, it's not the worst, but it definitely is nowhere near perfect. But yeah, no, I feel like I'm really impressed. That's what I'm looking for. I don't think it's honestly like my favorite. It would have to be pretty good to be my favorite this quick, but no, I feel like it's beautiful. I feel like it's gonna be like one of those really staple foundations for me, one that I get a lot of use out of. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have this foundation, comment below and let me know what you think, because I'd be curious to hear. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!